The motor grader have become the industry standard in operational efficiency and overall productivity. The motor grader is designed to help you build and maintain the haul roads needed to support maximum efficiency in large mining operations. Here is the model, and my model has this facing the other way. I'm sure that's fine. It's a weird looking vehicle in my opinion, but still very cool though. It's got a very cool design to it. This is why I thought it was farm equipment, because this just looks like that is very cool feature. Here's the front. Other side. And this is the motor grader. I wonder if I can put on some sand. Here you go. Put it into workforce. Thank you. Bye.